Tashidile. That is a common greeting in Tibetan. Today I want to talk to you about an experience I had in Tibet 40 years ago and show you the film I made back then. The sky burial is a unique funeral practice rooted in Tibetan Buddhism, Pöbe Nangpa Chos, where Pö means Tibet, the Be belonging to Tibet. Nangpa is an insider, meaning an insider to Tibetan Buddhism. It's often used in the context of the Buddhist religion in Tibet. Chos is Dharma, or religion. The deceased body is taken to a designated site, typically atop a mountain, to be consumed by vultures. The vultures are called kadruma, sky dancers or skywalkers, as they carry the soul to the heavens. Ka means sky. Dro is a goer or a mover. Ma, a suffix here indicating femininity. Durtro translates directly to charnel ground, or a place where bodies are left exposed for sky burials. Rogyapa performed the sky burial. Ro is body or corpse, and gyapa, one who breaks or chops. These people are responsible for dissecting the deceased body and preparing it for the vultures during a sky burial. Their role is crucial as they ensure that the body is offered in a manner that is accessible to the birds, adhering to the spiritual and practical aspects of the ritual. This work is considered a respectful and important service in the context of the Tibetan cultural and religious practices surrounding death. Now let's take a look at the video I shot 40 years ago when foreigners were first allowed to enter Tibet.
Now this is a sky burial. There's a strange, eerie singing in the background that just ended. I didn't hear it when I took this picture. This Tibetan custom of chopping up the dead and feeding it to vultures. They see it as the best way for burial, as the body will go towards heaven with the vultures. It was quite an eerie sight, and it was unbelievable that we watched it. At this altitude, and it was early in the morning, around 6 or 7 in the morning, it was hard to believe I was seeing what was happening. The clothes all strewn on the side of the blood-stained rock. Vultures coming in.